I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty, and I am looking forward to showing you this amazing log home on over 9 acres in West Creston. The main floor has vaulted ceilings with lots of windows, a country kitchen, dining room, living room with a wood-burning stove, a mudroom, and a full bathroom. Also, a wrap-around covered deck, sunroom, and a large 34 by 20 carport. The above loft-style master bedroom is bright and airy with a skylight, walk-in closet, balcony, and a very spacious bathroom with a jetted tub. The unfinished walkout basement is perfect for storage, work area, home-based business, or can add additional living space to the home with some modifications. This property is over 9 acres of paradise with amazing mountain views. It backs onto crown land for an incredible amount of privacy, trails, outdoor adventures, and sporting activities. It also has a beautiful garden with berries, grapes, and fruit trees, a greenhouse, fenced field, 4-stall barn with power and water, and a 16-foot high and 40 feet long pole shed, perfect for RV parking and additional storage. All this being only 20 minutes to town for all your amenities. This property truly has it all. And for more information, you know how to reach me, 604-789-8202.